Another negative trait of the soul is when one considers their own righteous deeds good while looking down on the efforts and righteous deeds of others. A Muslim should understand that any good thing they possess or righteous deed they perform is only possible through the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, in the form of inspiration, knowledge, strength and opportunity to perform the righteous deed. Therefore, they should remain grateful to Allah, the Exalted, instead of looking down on the deeds of others, as this mercy can easily be transferred to others. In addition, a person should bear in mind that the outcome of their life or the lives of others is unknown to them. Perhaps they will die while Allah, the Exalted, is angry with them, and the one they look down at will depart this world while Allah, the Exalted, is pleased with them. Therefore, they should not take pride in anything they own or do, and instead take refuge in Allah, the Exalted, from an evil end through sincere obedience to Him, which involves fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions and facing destiny with patience. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.